We need different ways of thinking. The social, political, economic structures that we've taken for granted are failing us. They're not up to the task of meeting today's political, social, ecological challenges because they're largely responsible for them. The MSc in Society and Space aims to point students in these different directions to try and respond to these global challenges in the precarious present.
Geography isn't just the environment, it's also society. That's why the course is called Society and Space. It looks at how society and cultures function within spatial bounds.
Society and Space offers students a conceptually and empirically rigorous introduction to contemporary human geographies spanning topics like culture, cities, politics, economics, and more.
You're allowed to take your focus academically wherever you want to take it.
The staff really try and create a space to bring out students' creativity and to really come into their own way of working and thinking and doing.
It really encourages students to be critical of every single piece of knowledge that gets thrown at them. And that isn't just at university, that's in life generally. The course itself, it doesn't shy away from being political. And that's something that's really encouraged by the course and forms a core part of the teaching.
The school is a lively and diverse place filled with world-leading researchers across human and physical geography.
Everyone has their own little passion project that they'll bring into their lectures, and that's very evident. You can tell that the lecturers are all really passionate about what they're doing.
One of the greatest benefits of being taught by lecturers at the forefront of their field is that you learn to see research not as this staid activity of gathering facts, but really as a creative practice of trying to think through our relations with the world around us.
My final project is going to be from a crip theory perspective. I'm looking at how crip theory can be applied to geography in a policy setting.
Geography is not just a place to study and think about geography, it's also a place to practice and experiment with it.
I've also learned some more technical skills in terms of policy and policy analysis. I didn't know how to approach policy, and now I feel confident enough to do it for my dissertation.
Graduates have gone on to do a wide range of careers across law, NGOs, the civil service, consulting. Society and Space is for students who see critical thinking, reflection, learning, not just as one part of their life, but as a lifelong pursuit, something that will stay with them regardless of what path in life they take.